Google just broke the internet. It just released the new Gemini 2.0 Flash version with native image generation. And this is going to change everything because right now you can use Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental for absolutely free, and you are able to generate images inside it, but also edit them. And the quality and the performance is absolutely amazing. We might as well see all of the new models have amazing state-of-the-art image editing capabilities, which is really going to create a huge mess for models like Stable Diffusion and Flux. It's absolutely insane what this model can do. It can generate text in very high quality, which is really unforeseen in these kind of models. And we see a new push into multimodality. So what you want to do is navigate to Google AI Studio, and you want to come in this section, go to preview and select Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. It's free to use for 10 requests per minute and up to 1,500 requests per day. Really, this AI Studio from Google is amazing. We get free tools that we can use also with API, and they just get tons of data to improve their models and fix bugs and problems. And you want to make sure that the output format is images and text. As you can see, there is a visual bug because I use Opera, but you probably won't have any problem. Again, the link for AI Studio will be down below in the description. Before we get started, I want to let you know that I have loads of free AI courses on my NoFX Services website. If you're interested in checking out any of these free AI courses, highly recommend. They're free to do, and you do them on Udemy, so that's also very cool. Just navigate to the link down below in the description and check them out. And very, very soon I will have an AI image generation with loads of tools in there, and it will be free, so I will give you an announcement. But save this website, check it out, check out the courses. You will find something interesting. I'm very sure about that. So let's begin. Before we start generating images, we can see here loads of examples, amazing examples. This is insane things. Everyone is talking about this. This is pretty insane. Came out like 2 or 3 days ago, so this is pretty fresh. And this is an amazing opportunity for people to build products on top of this. So I'm going to get started by using a pre-made prompt. So this prompt is really from Vic S. Vicky Loves AI. So let's check out if we get the same result. So write a 3-paragraph short story about a dragon befriending a lost knight. So we can see here that we actually get the same result or a pretty similar result, which is great. And we actually see and we actually get an even better result, maybe, than the previous one. So it seems like the model is improving quite a lot. And here we can see the dragon and we can see the story. So this is opening up new capabilities of creating stories using this kind of models. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So let's go over and say, make the dragon and the knight more realistic. Okay, so let's create a more realistic dragon, a more realistic knight. I have heard that actually this model is very good at editing all of these tools. And I actually have heard that the model is very capable and it can improve its generation capabilities. So let's see if we actually get a result. And it seems like there is some kind of error. So let's go over here and add a new chat because the previous one actually failed. So generate an image of an astronaut on Mars. Okay, so I'm going to write this. What is astronaut? I have no idea, but the LLM actually knows what we want. And it generated this image. Let's put it in full picture. I think the pixels are very small, they're not very big. So we're going to ask it to make the image black and white. So we're going to ask it to actually edit this image and do it black and white. Let's see if this in painting and editing thing works. And yeah, it made it black and white. Okay, add a cowboy hat on the astronaut. Okay, so we're going to ask it to add a cowboy hat on the astronaut. Let's see what the result will be. I'm super excited to see. And yeah, it actually added it. So that's nice. type in professional font with yellow color the words cow, post, row. Okay, so type in professional font with yellow color the words cone out. Let's see the result. Let's see if it can actually add high quality text. I'm super excited to see the result. Okay, add the text in the image. Okay, so we actually want it to add this text to the image. Let's see if it understands what it should do. Again, okay, it did it. And it actually did it correctly. This is pretty great. Here you've got like an album cover. Cone out. Looks nice, looks super nice. Let's open up a new chat. And what we can do is generate a story with images or edit images of croissants. It gives you so many options. So I'm going to ask it, create a YouTube thumbnail for an FPS game. Add a person on the left corner and text with bold font, white color, black stroke on the right, saying sub for sub. So we are going to merge everything to create a YouTube thumbnail for this game. This is a very difficult query, and it actually did. Sub for sub, again, text with bold font, white color, FPS game, here you see the character. On the background, add an image from a game that is landscape and so is buildings. Okay, so we want to change the background of this image to actually, whoa, we just created a thumbnail. This thumbnail is thumbnail like from 2015, 14 or whatever. And this was like how thumbnails looked. A background, a sketch on the left side, and this text. Okay, make the text, remove the character on the left in the image. Okay, so there is some kind of error. Again, this is experimental, this is new, but let's see if it can actually remove the character. It actually removed the character and it still has the background. So there is some kind of knowledge in there. There's some kind of good thing. And you can always thumb up the nice responses to help them, give them more data on what they do. This is very helpful. YouTuber, add a real person on the left side. Add also a glow on top of the text. Okay, so let's see if it can actually do these two edits for us. This is absolutely insane. You can literally create thumbnails for free. Again, not the best, but still looks good. And we see a person here and it says sub for sub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a file. Let's select my account. So I'm going to upload I will try to upload a file. So I'm going to try and upload one of my faces. Okay, so I'm going to upload this image, extract the face from this image and add it to the thumbnail that you created. Okay, let's see the result. Now this is next level. This is absolutely next level. And this image is very high quality. It may be very hard for the model to actually read and do what I asked. Okay, so what it did was in painting. Okay, so it completely messed this up. It created like this image, but okay, I get it. Let's actually do this again. Let's give it a try one more time. So I'm going to add this image. Keep only the person in the image. This is next level, guys. This is absolutely amazing. I never expected to see a model working so well, so nicely. Again, this is an LLM. It's not an image editing thing. It's not a background remover, nothing like that. It's an actual LLM trained to generate text. And right now it understands the image pretty well. So for some reason, it cannot remove my face. Remove everything from the image except the face of the person on the right side. Okay, let's ask it. Let's ask it this specific thing. And only 500 tokens were generated for it. So this is very efficient. Okay. Add high quality Twitter post saying I am amazing. Okay, so we're going to ask it to add a high quality Twitter post image saying I am amazing. Again, I don't know if I'm prompting it correctly, but it feels like we're doing a good job. And this model can actually remove background very well. And I am amazing. It hallucinates because it tries to use the previous image. So let's open up a new chat. Let's try something else. So I'm going to upload this image or maybe another image. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to open this image, edit the image to say $2,000 instead of $1,000. Make sure to use the same kind of color and font in the text. Okay, so we're going to ask it to edit the text in this image. This is going to be hard. I don't expect it to do it, but it's worth a try. Okay, so it did a good job. The quality becomes a little worse in general, loses some of the details, but this is a very good first step. Okay, great job. Make sure drop his green color. Okay, so let's do another edit. We want drop to be green. We want green color on that text. Let's see. Okay, it did it. It hallucinates with the other text. Okay, upscale the image to have more details on the person's face. And it adds a little bit of a watermark on the left down corner. You can easily remove that. We can actually ask Gemini to remove it, but let's see if it can actually do it. So you can really change your thumbnails real time. So it tries to add more details and it completely messed this up. But again, I think we're pushing the limits of what we can do with these things. I will ask another prompt, a final one, because I'm probably wasting pretty much all of my credits on this video. So hopefully we have not reached the limits. Okay, I want you to make the image more high quality. Add details. Let's see what it will come up with. This is an amazing tool, guys. I'm really impressed by what I'm seeing. Okay, it completely messed it up, but it doesn't matter. One final prompt before we end this video. So we're going to go to Ideogram, which in my opinion is the best image generator out there by a mile. I don't think any other image generator is as good as this. And we're going to find a creation of mine that we have done in the past. If you were watching my videos, you know that I absolutely love Ideogram. So I'm going to get this magic prompt and I will try to generate this image. So let's generate this image. A serene, adventurous scene of a man walking. Boom! This is the image. Not the most amazing, not the greatest, but it actually captures what we want. And I think the result is very, very good. Now, I'm going to give it this prompt and ask it to do this thing. So let's go ahead and give it. Maybe I should have opened a new chat because it may hallucinate with the old image. Hopefully it won't. Okay, this is not bad. Guys, this model has so much potential. The new versions of Gemini 2.0 Plus will probably be even more amazing. I think tools like Ideogram will face so much competition from this because you have it all in one place for free. This is going to be insane. LLMs are becoming very, very smart. LLMs become so smart on so many fields. It's insane. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to check out my courses over here. They're free. I offer them for free. I really want you to learn stuff. And if you want to support the channel, make sure to check